All right, page 338. What is the minimum?
0, -10.
Well, technically it'd be -10, 0, but if it's only asking for the x, it's just, yeah, I guess you could list it like that. -10, 0. It's not going to get any lower than that. So the minimum of the y value is 0. Explain how we can tell that the minimum is -4. Well, you know the vertex is -1, -4, and you know it opens up. So it's got to be the minimum. It's the lowest point on the graph. Question number 3, some of us didn't do both parts. Remember, is list the vertex, and then is it a min or max? Okay, multiple parts there. So the first one, the vertex is 5, 6, and it opens up, so it is the min. Next one is -5, -1. It opens up, so it is a min. Next one is -3, -10. There's a negative out front, so it opens down, so it's a max. 7, 11, min. 2, -2, max. -1, 0, there's no 0 out there, no number. And that is a min as well. Question number 4, can you use a quadratic equation to solve it? Absolutely. Bring the 12x over. There's no c value, which is fine. Set it equal to 0, solve it. A, B, C. A, B, C. Plug it in. Is it easier to solve this by completing the square or rewriting in factored form and using the 0 property? Well, if we're going to factor it, you can factor an x out. And I can see the answers are 0 and 12. I think that is probably the easiest. Then completing the square. Question number 5, matching. Which one has 2 solutions? Not B.
Oh, 2?
Which one has 2 solutions? A. And you can tell they're going to be 1 and 5. Which one has 1 solution? And then this one, squaring something and getting a negative number, that is a no-no. That's one that will not have it. 6, which one gives you irrational answers? It will be D. If you divide both sides by 9, if I take the square root of both sides, you're going to have square root of 3. That is irrational. Question number 7, true or false, and explain. Rational times irrational can be rational. True, because 0 is rational. Irrational times irrational can be rational. True, and I give an example as well. Rational times rational can be rational. Sure. True. And all those said can be, so you just need to find one that works, and that's just fine. Question number 8. How do the 3 graphs compare? Same shapes. Different locations. What does a negative 3 do?
The X.
Shifts it to the right 3. What's a plus 7 do? Up 7. Question number 9A. What would the 3 graphs look like? And they're all starting at 5,000. It's going to be A. It's going to be B. It's going to be C. Okay, those are the equations you should have graphed. Exponential equations back from Unit 5. If no payments are made, how many years would it take for the balance to triple? So if you were to type in y equals 15,000 over here, you would just see how long it took them to meet it. A is about 11 years. About 8 years. And about 7 years. Again, if you take out a loan, you don't want to have to pay triple in a long time. So A would be your best bet if you want the best one to put your money into, or borrow money, excuse me.